Today we're going to discuss the importance of uninsured motorist coverage. Uninsured motorist coverage is typically purchased with underinsured motorist coverage, but because these topics are very complex, today we're just going to be talking about uninsured motorist coverage. This sort of coverage is required to be offered to you every time you purchase a motor vehicle policy in Pennsylvania. And uninsured motorist coverage covers you when you've been hurt by an uninsured motorist. This is one of the most important coverages that you can have, because I have people all of the time, clients who have been injured by a hit-and-run driver, which is considered an uninsured motorist, or by a known driver who doesn't have insurance for one of a dozen reasons. They don't have a license, they don't have permission to drive the car. In those situations, if you have not purchased uninsured motorist coverage to protect yourself, what you're left doing is suing a person who doesn't have any insurance. And that's tough to make a recovery from somebody who doesn't have any insurance. Uninsured motorist coverage is a great way that you can cover yourself, because you can't predict who's going to cause the accident that you're involved in. The other thing with uninsured motorist coverage is it's really not that expensive compared to the other components of a typical motor vehicle policy. I've had people who have called me and they didn't have this type of coverage, and I've said, hey, you should go add that on, and they call me back and say it was $10 a month or some low number. So for a very low premium, you can purchase yourself some protection if you're hit by somebody who hasn't followed the law and insured their vehicle. Obviously, the amount of the premium is going to depend on your insurance and how much coverage you pick. But generally, in my opinion, it's pretty cheap coverage. So I recommend that if you can afford to do it, you purchase uninsured motorist coverage on your motor vehicle policy. And if you have any questions about other situations when uninsured motorist coverage might apply, you can go ahead and give us a call and we'll help explain it to you. Thanks.